Another hot one, maybe some pop-up storms too, huh?
Yeah, for sure. It's hard to stay hot when you're in water that's 60, 70 degrees. I mean, it's chilly, no doubt about it. That's where we can go to escape. And there's a couple things we're looking at. So we're going to get the relief in the form of the cooler water. We're also getting relief in the form of the rain coming in. This is our shot in Plymouth meeting. And we're looking back to the west. You see how dark that sky is. And man, this is having a major impact on our local temperature. So I'm going to put up the numbers for you. These are the actual air temperatures, not the feels like temperatures. We got 77 for Atlantic City, 75 there at LBI and Ship Bottom. We walk over to Millville. It's 92. Okay, this is an area that we haven't had any storms. We haven't had any influence from the ocean water. 94 degrees in Dover, same thing. But walk with me up and down I-95. Philadelphia topping out at 98 today. It is at 96. Then we get over to Trenton, 93 now, but you folks are going to cool dramatically. Pottstown is at 75 degrees. That is not a typo. Allentown at 85. Reading at 80. This is where the showers have moved in. You folks not on this map, Doylestown. I'm sure your temperature is similar to Pottstown with the storm activity that rolled through and that rain cooled air. So let's focus on that. This is the line of storms over the last couple of hours, and you saw it was most intense when it was basically at the upper Montgomery, upper Bucks County line, cutting, of course, near the Lehigh Valley out of Berks. It's starting to die down, which is great. It's certainly not dead, but I want to zoom you down into this part of Montgomery County. So this is the storm that rolled through Pottstown. It's rolled across a Limerick. It is now making its way to the east. It's over the Blue Route. But look at the last 30 minutes, just the lightning emblems alone. These are 15-minute lightning strikes within that 15 minutes from the cloud to the ground. So when storms are dying out, they start to lose the lightning first because they're getting smaller. In order to get lightning, you get these big storms. It has to do with air and collision inside the clouds. So I like the fact that this is dying down right now. Doesn't mean it's going to completely die, but it's far, far less intense than it was even 20 minutes ago. And this one here to our north, there's Doylestown. This one's moving out of our area. This one's starting to regenerate a little bit. This is going to stay north of Mercer County. I did a track for you, a localized track over the next hour. So Warminster right now at about 6:30. You have Abington, 6:37. Middletown at 6:50. Trenton and Bristol, closer to about 7 o'clock. I do anticipate you guys getting rain. I do anticipate you guys getting some of the cooler conditions. But right now, the only warning that we have is the one that's out of Bucks County, north of Mercer County and Hunterdon County, north of our television viewing area. Futurecast doing a great job showing you that. Watch this as we roll into 7 o'clock. Right over Trenton is that cell. It continues to move to the east, but a few more storms developing over the next several hours. Once we get past about 11 o'clock tonight, a lot of these will die down, but we're going to do it again tomorrow with some of these storms that will be strong to severe tomorrow afternoon and evening. Otherwise, if you don't get the storms, we're in the mid to low 90s for the next several hours, feeling like triple digits very easily. And then tomorrow, that temperature once again into the mid 90s, feeling hotter than that. Thursday will be a much cooler day, and the reason for that being cooler is the cold front that comes through. And that cold front will have direct impacts for us in the form of the showers and storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Then we'll drop down 87 on Thursday, walking into the weekend temperatures where we should be, which is in the mid-80s this time of year. Keep your ears peeled. Right now, no severe thunderstorm warnings in our area, but if you hear lightning, you're close enough to be struck. Guys, back over to you.